Right, what we're gonna do is to change the transmission oil for this Honda Civic 2000 and 2010. So first you're gonna have to remove this cover. There's aluminum cover here. Right, there's a bunch of screws. Then it will expose the nut or the bolt here. So it needs a socket, 3/8 socket. But first we're gonna have to put WD-40 in it so that it will lube a little bit. So alright, that's what it looked like. I put a hammer handle in there so that I can pull the plastic. That's all. That's all the reason that I have this handle here, so that I can pull this plastic. Because if I don't do this, the plastic will covering the drip. So I pulled it that way. And here's the plug. That's the oil. And as you can see, it's really dirty. So this is one of the reasons you have to replace accordingly to the maintenance your transmission oil, so it will go last longer. So we're gonna be cleaning this up. Right, so you can see how dark that is. Right, there we go. Alright, so let's put the plug back. Make sure you clean up. Right, as you can see, all cleaned. So let's put it back like so. Tight it up. That's for that. Okay, so here's our dipstick for the transmission. This yellow thing here. Just pull it out. Right, like so. You can see. Pull dipstick. So this is where we're going to pull up. Right, so we're gonna need a special funnel. Here's the oil that you need for the transmission. Right, you need the part number right there. Here's our funnel, as you can see. Right, so you just pour your oil here. It's gonna take time because the tube is not that big, so it will take time. Now we have one empty quart or 1 liter. So what we're going to do, this empty bottle, we're going to fill it up from the previous oil so that we will know how much oil that we took out. Right, so that's just enough oil that we're gonna put it in. So this way you don't have to worry about checking the gauge. You can, because the gauge is accessible, but for some vehicles they don't even have the dipstick. So but doing this way, you're in kind of in the safe mode. So we're going to fill this up with this oil, and we'll see how many of this oil in here. You can see I already have 2 full bottles. So this is the leftover. Maybe another quart, or not even liter, not even 1 liter, but we'll see. So I'm going to I'm going to drain this one now because I only have 3 bottles. So I'm going to dump this. So basically we have 3 liters and 200 millimeter. Sorry, 200 ml to be exact, that we have to put it back.